up YouTube? Back for his first video of 2025, and we're doing an important prep job today, ready for a bigger job that's coming in a couple of weeks. So what are we up to? So what we're going to be doing today is ceramic coating in big new brake calipers. So these are going on for fitting in about just under 2 weeks. We're booked in, that's happening. So what we're going to do is, I want to keep them nice as possible for as long as possible. So what we're going to do is ceramic coating with this. We're going to use Gyeon Rim. So Gyeon, quite a well-known big detailing brand if you've not heard of them. I picked this because I watch a lot of Cornwall Car Care, their channel. Jody there, he's amazing, go and watch him, and I think he's like Gyeon certified and stuff, and he obviously talks about these products. So we're going to give it a whirl. So this Gyeon Rim is, I think, primarily designed for wheels, but it can be used on brake calipers as well, and it's designed to cope with like the higher temperatures of braking and things. So it's not just like a ceramic coating that you put on your paintwork. It's a ceramic coating specific for like wheels and brake calipers basically. So we're going to give it a whirl. I've never done this before, so we'll see what's involved. I think it's just a case of kind of rubbing it on basically, but we're going to read instructions and see what crack is. Okay, so out the box we've got the product in the middle there. We've got an applicator and like the applicator cloth, so you apply the product to the cloth and then sort of wrap the block in the cloth, and then you basically just work it on. One thing I'm going to do as well is I've got some Gyeon Prep, which is like your sort of decontaminant, degreaser type thing. I bought this a little while ago actually, just for another job. If you've got like you know, you're prepping to stick trims on, you know, like a rear door trim or something like that, it's really good to use like in conjunction with an alcohol wipe or something like that. So get yourself some of that, or you know, you're doing cleaning before you put a decal on or something like that. It's really good. So I've used a little bit of that already, but so we're going to give it both calipers are full wipe down with that first, just with a clean microfiber, which I've got there with pink microfiber, and then we'll crack on with applying the product. So right, let's see how this goes. So these are done now, not that you can really tell, but it's on. Took a while, probably more than I'll put in film, because while you are supposed to use, or it says to use the applicator block, that's obviously quite blocky, which would be alright if you're doing panels and, you know, large flat surfaces or even surfaces, but you see it's quite intricate, so it took a while to get into all of that on both sides. At points I just resorted to getting rid of the block and using that, which the just like the suede pad, which is probably not recommended because I can feel it on my hands a little bit. So and probably wear a mask, so rubber gloves and maybe a mask. Obviously I'm just at the entrance of my garage, but if you're doing this fully indoors, definitely want a mask on, because it's like quite strong solvent or whatever it is. But yeah, pretty straightforward, just the intricacies of the shape of the caliper. So yeah, pretty successful. We'll see once it's on and we get some bad weather what happens. So another job done. been wanting to get this done for a while. As you know, I've had the brakes for a while. Everybody saw the video I did when I bought them last summer. It's taken a while to get to point to fitting. Like I say, it's happening I think it's about 10 days from today. So, which is today's the 12th. So I think it's 23rd, so it might be 11 days. I've had problems over winter, which has delayed things a bit. I had an absolute nightmare with the auxiliary belt. We've had 3 different auxiliary belts, 2 different tensioners, a new alternator clutch pulley over winter, and it's just been a nightmare, which has delayed this, obviously, sort of financially, but it's a van that just sounds horrendous, but with snazzy brakes, it looks like you're not really taking care of your van properly anyway. So we got that maintenance and stuff first, got everything running sweet, touch wood, and now we can get on with fun stuff. So these are going on, so there'll be a video dropping in a couple of weeks, just to show once they're on. Something else going on at the same time, which is probably as significant as these, so it'll be a good video, that one. I'm looking forward to it. Actually taking a couple of days off work, and I'll be not having them fitted local. I'll be going to like quite a well-known fitter as well, so you know, really looking forward to that. I'll save that. But yeah, stay tuned for that. So more videos coming. I've got some more Gyeon products. I've got this as well, Gyeon Q², which I'm going to do my windscreen, so I might do a bit of a review on that as well. So stay tuned. Hopefully give us some more detailing the bits as well. Yeah, some more videos coming now. Now we're into summer and weather's picked up, we can start to do, you know, a bit more of this type of thing. So yeah, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget, these will be on in a couple of weeks. If you want to see what they look like, subscribe. Cheers, thanks.